Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 435D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in mineral grey. Alongside a superb exterior colour, the vehicle also features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, and as well as the brand new alloys. The tyres are also all brand new. So as well as a superb exterior look, the vehicle also has a wide array of superb sought after optional extras from BMW, all of which we're going to try and show you in a bit of detail. Down the side you can see the gloss black BMW air breathers, our satin side vinyls and sun protection glazing. That has been as part of the BMW M Sport Plus package. You will also see sitting behind those fantastic alloys the very nice M Sport Plus brakes. It's not the only feature to be equipped in and around that area on this wonderful 4 Series Gran Coupe. It does have the adaptive M Sport suspension, and we'll talk a little bit more about that when I hop on inside the car shortly. We've got a full black Dakota leather, and on this car we do have the electric memory and movement for driver side, and you can enjoy in the front the heated seat option as well. We've also got Harman Kardon surround sound, which is of course a great feature for your interior experience. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox working very nicely in conjunction with the xDrive four-wheel drive system. We've got a very nice spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench in the rear, folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining. And before we head on to the very rear, we're going to show you off those alloys once again. You can of course see there the M Sport Plus brakes. We've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the matching rear diffuser on this car. It does also come with the rear facing reversing camera. Opening up that boot, you can see how large the area is. Alongside it does come with split folding seats and a removable top and bottom partial shelf. Onto the driver's side, again a very clean and tidy example. You will also see that all of those additions we've made work really well with the BMW colour of mineral grey. And we'll shortly hop on inside, as there is a huge amount of options to get through on a already very nice looking 4 Series Gran Coupe. Stepping on inside, we've got power folding mirrors. We do of course have the professional wide navigation and media screen. We'll start the car up and just talk you through a couple of features of that, beginning with the rear facing reversing camera I mentioned. You'll see we've got extra parking sensors as part of the parking assist package, as you can see there. So that's a real useful tool for any situation. In terms of your navigation, this is one of the most user-friendly systems out there. It also has real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth audio and telephone, but alongside that this vehicle also has the Apple Carplay option, which is great for all you Apple users out there. In terms of multimedia, you can see there it comes with DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. Alongside we've already seen the music collection, the Bluetooth audio, and of course having Apple CarPlay really opens this vehicle up for a great interior experience alongside your multimedia experience. 43,000 miles covered. I did of course mention the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside the radar guided cruise control we also have, which is slightly more advanced than regular cruise control because it can follow the vehicle in front of you. For example, it slows down, you will slow down. It speeds up, you will speed up to the set speed that you have determined, which is easily set over here. In terms of vehicle service requirements and service history, you'll see there that all of the major items are highlighted in green, including both front and rear brakes. The next oil service for the vehicle is due in 17,000 miles, and we do have a full BMW service history as well, which is of course a great peace of mind. And as you can see, the last service was carried out at 41,819. So there is a look around a very high spec 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around and of course been able to find it useful. If you would like some more information on the car, you can of course refer to the links down below for both getting in touch with us here as well as viewing the vehicle on our website. Thank you very much guys. Do of course take care. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.